candy. H. A. No, 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 no. N. Da, 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 da. T. Ya, 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 ya. Y.
Awesome!
Candy. Someone who's handy is skilled and clever, especially when it comes to making or fixing things. Hurry. H. U. R. Ya, 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 ya. Y.
Hooray! You got it!
Hurry. Hurry means to move or do things more quickly than normal or to make someone do this. Hilarious. H. I. L. A. R. I. O. U. X.
Awesome!
Hilarious. When something is extremely funny, it's hilarious. Inside. I. No, no, no. N. X. I. Da, 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 da. D. E.
Good job! Keep it up!
Inside. Inside means the inner side or surface of something.
Hooray! You got it!
Invisible.
Good job! Keep it up!
Innovative. Innovative means featuring new methods, advanced and original. Justice. J U S T I C E.
Good job! Keep it up!
Justice. Justice is fairness in the way that people are treated. Jungle. J U M B L E.
Good job! Keep it up!
Jumble. Jumble is an untidy collection or pile of things. Joy. J O Y.
Good job! Keep it up!
Joy. Joy is a feeling of great pleasure and happiness. Journey. J O U R N E Y.
Hooray! You got it!
Journey. Journey means an act of traveling from one place to another. Keep.
Awesome!
To keep means to have and hold on to something. Kind. K I N D.
Good job! Keep it up!